A very good morning to all of you viewers. So it's Sunday and the first date of this month, March 2026. February has passed out, gone out, and I am on my practice for 2 days. I have been not feeling good. I haven't feeling good, so but I had to uh, continue my consistency and keep my practice on. So I came here uh, very late, and I have to also go to with my wife and my nephew, my sister, to the temple, Lord Shiva temple, and Holi is around the corner. It is going to be celebrated uh, from tomorrow itself, and Holi will be happen. We celebrate Holi on 4th of March. So this whole week is going to so engaging, and I have been so engaged for different kind of work, so I couldn't find time to continue my practice, which I do regularly, like shadowing, reading, and writing journal. So I didn't find the time, so I will try today itself, because when any festival come, uh, you you have uh, to involve, because many one ask for celebration, when one ask for chit chat, they take your time. So this is my problem, but up to now I didn't break my morning routine, which I do regularly, like recording myself on this camera and uploading them later. So it was the happening all around what I am facing. So since my wifey haven't uh, haven't taken a bath yet, so I haven't taken a bath yet. So I had time, so I thought that why not I should record myself, because I have some time in my hand. So until she take bath, I can record myself, and if I get time, then upload it too right now. So it was my thought, and in my last video, as I have mentioned my English connection, how I got scolded, or in the 6th class beaten in the 6th class due to lack of knowledge. How I faced the problem while in my 8th class, and when I in graduation I was learn a bit this language. So, and I went to the Marwa Studio for my journalism course, where I try to learn this language, but couldn't succeed. And after that, when I returned home, I kept on learning this language, try to by myself. And that time uh, I didn't find any support by um, the social media, because that time the social media doesn't exist. So can I help with him? And all around my surroundings I keep nagging people to speak with me, and I wanted to speak, but there are no one so much interested to learn this language. So I had to do it on on my own. And later on the years passed by, but I am not getting any. The reason was also that I have never been so consistent. Hardly 1 or 2 months, my all enthusiasm and learning things went not went purposelessly. So due to lack of consistency, I didn't find the good result. But in and I have also remember in my when I started my law academics, I used to sit in a home and make lot of translation and write many structures and sentences in my notebook. I kept on, but never try to speak them. That's why they only put in my diaries, and I filled up lots of diaries, but didn't learn from. And sometime I thought if I had practiced that the all sentences which I had written on my diary, so I would have been not a good but a splendid speaker at English language. And so as I have remember, I think it was Corona days, when I had nothing to do, so I kept on learning by my previous written diaries. And sometimes those days I felt very confident about this language, but still I didn't practice in terms of speaking. So my speaking is not become good. And thereafter, when I got enrolled in my legal profession, that time I also by Facebook I also connect with one of uh, channel which who teaches English, and I paid approx 2000 rupees for that, and I started doing that things. But and I started uploading videos, but hardly 1 or 2 months, and I was not so consistent about that time also, but I used to record myself and upload that videos. But later on, when the teacher asked for more amount of approximately 10,000, then I will become fluent. That that nagging of asking for money I didn't like, so I stopped connecting that channel, English channel. So then I and mm, then I didn't uh, uh, continue my this practice. So that was the reason, and this is a regret, because I now I understand, if I consistent, then it has been 5 years approximately, and if I had been consistent, then definitely I would have been uh, a fluent speaker and eloquent speaker. So it was all my connection. If I forget something in my previous day, later on I will put my memories on my this conversation. So but I think it's enough uh, uh, for today, for now, and I'm going to wind up this video, because it has it has time to go. So now I am taking your leave with a warm welcome to this channel, Anglify with Aman, and taking your leave with warm wish. Have a great and fun day on this Sunday. Thank you for watching up to now. Thank you very much.